Am I wrong for refusing to pay to fix the babysitter's laptop? I, a single mom of two, hired a babysitter after I started working a new job. I have been working from home for the last 2 years. My kids are 8 and 6. The babysitter is 17. She brings her laptop with her to study, which is perfectly okay with me as long as she keeps an eye on the kids. Yesterday, I came home and the babysitter showed me her laptop that had gotten broken by my youngest. I was shocked and I asked her how it happened, and she said that she left the laptop in the living room and went to make the kids lunch, but my youngest grabbed it and ran with it, and then he ended up dropping it and it broke the screen. I told her that that was horrible and I apologized to her, but then I told her that it was her fault for leaving the laptop within reach of kids. She said that she thought my kids were old enough to know not to touch other people's stuff. I explained how they might have thought it belonged to us since it was in our house. She asked if I could pay to get it fixed, but I refused and insisted to her that it was her problem and not mine. She ranted about having exams soon and not having enough money to get it fixed. We argued and I had to tell her to go home after she persisted. Later on, I got a call from her dad basically blaming the whole thing on me. Then he demanded that I pay to get the laptop fixed, but I still refused. Now she's refusing to come again unless I pay for the laptop repair, even though I paid her in advance to watch the kids.